Hello everyone, this is Rookie on your screen today. Welcome to Math Key. In today's video, I want to show you how to solve algebraic equations with fractions, part 2. You may need to watch the first part of this topic before proceeding with this video. Alright, suppose we have the fraction 3d over 5. This particular fraction can also be written again as 3 over 5d with the d exactly on the same level as the line of division. So if we have another fraction, say 4x over 7, we can rewrite this fraction as 4 over 7x. Both of them mean exactly the same thing. However, this same fraction 3d over 5 cannot be written as 3 over 5d with the d functioning directly as a denominator. So our original fraction 4x over 7 is not equal to 4 over 7x with the x functioning as a denominator in this fraction. So while the former is correct, the latter is wrong. Let's look at this equation. Find the value of p in the equation 3p over 4 take away 2 equals to 10. Looking at this equation, you will see that the negative 2 and the 10 are like terms. In our last video on solving algebraic equations with bracket or without bracket, we said that the like terms will be put together, that will collect the like terms. So the negative 2 will cross over to be with the 10 at the right hand side, and that simply means that the operation of the negative 2 changes from negative to positive. Alright, so our new equation becomes 3p over 4 equals 10 plus 2. Take note that the negative 2 has changed to plus 2 at the right hand side of this equation. Alright, again, the left hand side of our new equation becomes 3p over 4, and at the right hand side we have 10 plus 2, which gives us 12. Take note that every number or letter written without a denominator has an invisible denominator of 1. So what we are just going to do here is to bring up our 12 and introduce that invisible denominator. At this point, we're just going to cross multiply. That is to say, the 3p will multiply the 1 and the 4 will multiply the 12. Alright? Okay, so let's get started and see how this is done. 3p multiplies 1, and that gives us 3p times 1. And at the right hand side, the 4 will multiply the 12, which gives us 4 times 12. Of course, 3p times 1 gives us 3p, and at the right hand side, 4 times 12 gives us 48. Okay, at this point again, we're going to divide both sides of this equation with the coefficient of the variable p, and that's 3. And that means we're going to have fractions again whose numerators will be 3p and 48. Okay, so we just divide both sides of this equation by the coefficient, which is 3, and of course the 3 on top cancels the 3 under, and at the left hand side what is remaining is just p, which is equal to 16. Since 48 divided by 3 is exactly the same as 16. You may also have an equation like this: negative 4 plus 2 over 5y take away 7 plus 2 equals to 3. All you have to do is to rearrange the left hand side in such a way that all the like terms are together, and then you keep the 3 at the right hand side. And of course, our new equation becomes 2 over 5y take away 9 equals to 3. Since negative 4 take away 7 plus 2 gives us the same thing as the negative 9. Now, if you follow the same procedure as the former example, you will see that the y is equal to 30. And this is how easy it is. Just a quick reminder, do not forget to smash that subscribe button down there and turn on your notification for recent uploads. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.